Hello and welcome to Noble Learners, an online platform spreading knowledge. If you're looking for resources for Alex Math Prep, then you are at the right place. We are going to provide you the prep guide as well as a workbook. It is of 230 pages and we have completed all the important chapters. You can see that how it is designed. So this is designed by Noble Learners and Noble Educators. Both are the platforms related to each other. So Noble Educator is nothing but powered by Noble Learners. So there are total 10 chapters what we have in this book. There is chapter number 1 to 8, which is a kind of conceptual chapters, and 9 and 10 is a kind of the practice test what you will get, which is on the same basis as of the real ALEKS examination. And you can see that the concept has been explained in this, then examples has been given, then the questions for the practice has been given to you, the answer keys are also have been given. So this is of 230 pages and you will get everything what you need to study for your ALEKS exam prep, because there is no consolidated material which is available in the market. We are providing at the best rate. And apart from this, we also have the 500 most important question which could be asked to you in ALEKS examination. So there are 500 most important question have been divided into 10 parts. So you can see the level of the question. It is matching to the real exam. The real questions as well as the answer keys are also given. And there is the step-by-step answer which has been given, you can see. And they are very well explained so that you could understand better. So each of these soft book or the ebooks, they price $30 each. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and you can pay us and you can get that on your WhatsApp itself. You can also visit our website. So our WhatsApp number is given over here and our website is also given, or you can easily type Noble Learners or Noble Educators to reach us and we could WhatsApp from there as well. And here is 500 most important question, and here is the exam guide. And if you're looking for one-to-one tutoring for your ALEKS examination, then no need to buy these books because we provide this to our student for free. And we have the best tutors for ALEKS. We have given good results in the past. We have, like tutored more than 1000 students for ALEKS and JED examination. So if you're looking for an online tutor, then you can also contact us and you can get your free demo. Thank you so much and all the best for your examinations.